Ooh, the shape of me. Would it be? Somebody say, pull up. Take it from the top to the last drop. Said I'ma try again to get close to you, my love. This one. Ooh, the shape of me. Would you believe I've lost the race again? And I'm coming again. I just gotta get in. Sing with me. And I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. Oh, yeah. To make the walls away. Yes, as obvious, the nerves of your here. Would you believe I've lost the race? And I'm trying to get to you. Oh, no, I'm gonna come and still showing love it lively. Everybody say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah, yeah. Say yeah. Next track, sir. Think we're not gonna joke thing now. Say we don't know dead thing, you know. All who said fine, put your hands up in the air like this, you know. Put your hands up now and sing. Let's drink. Don't let the obstacles of life. I want them to know them classic here. I don't know if they know them classic here. Hold it. Don't let the things they're saying or do. Just pull up. Don't rush me, no brethren. Me never want to pass that show there while I was staying. But anyway, run it one more time. Lord of mercy. Yeah. All right. One more. Don't let the things they say or do just make your life one of truth. Can I know ya well? They all wanna see you falling down, but along the way, Jah is great. Keep the faith. God, yeah. I want them to know the chorus. Everybody, get. Give me an extra. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Can I hear the ladies scream, please? Can I hear the ladies scream? We know seven belongs to Dexta Daps, you know. But you see when we come to, we want to understand, say, we did there before Dexta Daps. So Dexta, me know you over there skinny teeth like when donkey hit cane. You know what the stay. But remember, say, when me, a forward a Seaview, by the way, tonight is a historic night, you know. When I was 16 years old, I come sing. Right, yes, sir. Years and years ago. Seaview are my place. So Dexta, even though you are the man, I'm a place this. And my ladies them too. Run it. Watch it now, Dex. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Never from the beginning. Yeah. Here we go. This one. I thought sometime alone was one. Did I hear my lady scream? From the top again. It was fine, but wasted time. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Give me an extra. Every man's got a weakness, sweetness. Oh, oh. Say I got a weakness for sweetness. All right, pull up, 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 pull up. You know, it's not an in-concert thing. It's a pass-through thing. So right now, we're going to do a classic before we leave the stage. So when we forward, we say, The general in the place, so I'm going to go over this, so I'm going to link up Dexta. I don't stop talking, you know. I'm going to say, Dexta, what am I going to do? Because it's a different crowd and we want to make sure that the thing spot on. Him say, right, you can do this, and show him some songs. So him say, see that one here? Don't do that one here because them people don't know them tune here. We start laugh. Can you see them tune here? Grow Seaview people here. Make we find out if Dexta did right and me did wrong. Play it. One more time from the top, let me sing it together and show him to you. So I know every line, every lyrics. Who don't ever sing with me? This one. I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, just like the river I've been running. Your time to shine. It's been what's up, people in body? You're the choir, but you're the Seaview choir. It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die. I don't know what's up there. One more time from the choir. It's been love. Change gonna come. Shem Lord, big up yourself, youth. My turn. Then I go to the movie and I go downtown. Something keeps telling me don't hang around. It's been a long, a long time coming, but I know change's gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. Then I go to my brother. You know what I said? I said, brother, yeah, help me please. Oh, but he was out knocking me. Said I got on my knees. And there have been times that I thought I couldn't last too long, but now I know that I can make it. I can carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh, yes it will. Seaview, love and all. Let's hear. Take care!
Make some nice for Richie Stevenson!